everyone beta. So today we are starting with the orientation of optimization method for economic analysis. The course code is Econ 023. Optimization method for economic analysis. ठीक है बेटा, ध्यान से सुनो. तो in this particular book, right? The book in this particular subject, the book that we will be referring to, that is AC Chiang. It is a very good book बेटा. इसमें जितने examples दिए हुए हैं, जो भी दिया हुआ है, अगर आप वो अच्छे से कर लेते हो, then there is no need to refer to any other book. This is a self-sufficient book. ठीक है, इसके अलावा कुछ भी करने की आपको जरूरत नहीं है. We can go ahead and we can divide the entire syllabus in 3 main units. इसमें जो हमारा unit 1 है, unit 1 is basically comparative static analysis. Comparative static analysis. ठीक है. In this case, the chapter of unit 1, that is chapter number 6 of AC Chiang. और बच्चे ये वाला जो हमारा चैप्टर है, चैप्टर 6, ये मैंने ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब पे पोस्ट कर दिया है. And I will go ahead and I will share the link of the playlist with all of you. मैं इसका playlist जो भी है वो आपके साथ एक बारी share कर दूंगी. That is already available on YouTube and you can go ahead and start with that chapter. Chapter number 6 हमने last time बहुत thoroughly अच्छे से cover किया था. Just go ahead and do that chapter. ठीक है. That is it. Chapter 6 में सिर्फ chapter number unit 1 में सिर्फ chapter number 6 है, and chapter 6 is a chapter on derivative, slope and limit theorem. Okay बेटा, ठीक है. Then we talk about unit 2. In unit 2 बेटा we have differentials, and in differentials there are 2 chapters जो हमें करने होंगे. One we have chapter number 7 and other we have chapter number 8. And ये जो दोनों ही chapters हैं, these are chapters again to be done from the same book, which is your AC Chiang. ठीक है. Again बेटा, in this book, in this chapter of chapter number 7, हम differentiation के बारे में बात करते हैं, how to differentiate the functions, what is a power rule, what is chain rule, what is the quotient rule, ये सब. And chapter number 7, this is again covered already on YouTube. ठीक है. So you can find that in the same playlist. Already this is covered. And you can start studying through that chapter. ठीक है. Chapter number 8 is what beta I will be starting now. Starting soon. And it will be posted on YouTube only. So chapter number 6, you can start preparing. It is available on YouTube. Chapter number 7, you can prepare. It is available on YouTube. Chapter number 8, I will start soon and I will post the entire chapter 8 also on YouTube. YouTube पे ही आपको मिलेगा. अब हम unit 3 का बात कर लेते हैं. Let's talk about unit 3. Unit 3 is optimization problem. Optimization problem. But in unit 3 में we are going to talk about 2 kind of optimization. एक को बोला जाता है constrained और दूसरे को बोला जाता है unconstrained. ठीक है. Constrained and unconstrained. इसमें we will talk also about something which is called as Lagrange function, जो constrained optimization में heavily use किया जाता है. हाँ. We will also talk about concavity, convexity, and envelope theorem. इन सब के बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे. And to do this thing, you need to go ahead and you need to do 3 chapters बेटा. Chapter 9, chapter 11 and chapter 12 of AC Chiang. यूनिट 3 स्पेसिफिकली जो हमारा है, विच इज चैप्टर 9, 11 and 12 of AC Chiang, beta this I will be posting on portal. ठीक है, I will share the link of the portal with all of you. Again, that will be posted in the chat section of this video. And उस लिंक के थ्रू आप बाकी के कोर्स को देख सकते हो. So I will be posting it on the portal, and I am not going ahead and I am not putting any fees on the course as of now. Just there will be minor portal charges. I think so 500 rupees per student is the portal charge, but there will be no fees on the course, and the course is absolutely free. It's an initiative from Artha Point. We are not charging any fees on the course. Unlike other institutes where you will have to pay 5 to 7,000 on this course, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कोई फीस नहीं है. As much as possible, I try to provide education at the minimum price possible. सिर्फ I actually like a perfect competition, no profit, no loss situation. So, I just want to make the course a bit exclusive. That's why I'm putting some part of it on the portal, and the other part is available on YouTube for all of you. तो आप चैप्टर 6 से अब शुरू कर सकते हो बेटा. चैप्टर 6 completely आपके लिए अवेलेबल है YouTube पे ऑलरेडी. स्टार्ट विद चैप्टर 6. 7 अवेलेबल है. 8 I will start soon. हम धीरे धीरे करके चैप्टर 8 को as we progress in the semester I will post that. And chapter 9, 11 and 12, just to maintain some exclusivity of my content, I will go ahead and post it on the portal. ठीक है, ओके बेटा. तो अब हम एक बारी बात कर लेते हैं बच्चे द एग्जाम पैटर्न की. सो द इंटायर एग्जाम will have 3 parts to it. एक हो गया internal assessment, which is going to be of 30 marks. One will be continuous assessment, which will be of 40 marks. And one will be end sem exam, which will be of 90 marks. ठीक है, end sem exam में there will be 10 questions. ठीक है, each of 10 marks. तो 100 marks हो गए, जिसमें से you have to do any 9. कोई भी 9 questions आप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, the maximum weightage will be for unit number 3 बेटा. तो अगर मैं वेटेज की बात करूं, सो सपोज अगर 90 मार्क्स का पेपर माना जाता है, सो वी कैन गो अहेड एंड वी कैन से दैट दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 40 to 45 मार्क्स का यूनिट 3 आएगा. ठीक है, आउट ऑफ 90. एंड यूनिट 1 एंड यूनिट 2 मिलाकर विल बी फॉर 40 to 45 मार्क्स. ठीक है, जिसमें से यूनिट 1 is approximately for 10 marks ले सकते हो individually, and you can take this for 30 to 35 marks. This is the weightage of the different units in your end sem exam. ठीक है, other than this, another thing which is important here is your attendance. उसमें मेरा कोई रोल नहीं है. You need to go to the college and attend the classes to get good marks. तो यहाँ पर in internal assessment 6 marks for attendance, और यहाँ पे 5 marks for attendance. So 11 marks are for attendance, and ये आपके हाथ में है that you get the maximum marks out of it. यहाँ पे continuous assessment में 35 marks, and यहाँ पे 24 marks में there will be 2 internal assessment paper of 12 marks each. ठीक है, here जो भी हमारे यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस होंगे ना, ये क्वेश्चंस में मैक्सिमम there will be 2 sub parts to each question. है ना. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो 10 मार्क्स का है, 5 मार्क्स के देयर विल बी 2 क्वेश्चंस, और कुछ ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं विच विल बी डायरेक्टली ऑफ 10 मार्क्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द फाइनल पेपर of your optimization, and I hope that now you will start studying for this paper. And as I have already told you, chapter number 6 बेटा ये already YouTube पे अवेलेबल है. इसका प्लेलिस्ट इज ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड. आई विल गो अहेड एंड शेयर द लिंक ऑफ द प्लेलिस्ट, एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू.